Haters vex, can me bless, what's me no stress. Boy, me nah no man problem. Me them a pre, them a wanna be. Girl a fi a worry about me no worry about them. Say no way me up. Girl a fi sit down, can't stand me. And me money enough. No borrow goods, no depend me. I feel me life and me love it. You know see a be a pretty pan me. Haters can't stand.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm running to so, and today I will be vlogging. I will be cooking curry chicken and dumpling. Yes, the more the national dish. So, guys, remember before getting into the video, before doing anything, guys, want to like, share, subscribe, comment, and post notification bell so I can become notified every time TT Nation drop a new banger YouTube video. Let's see that over my head. Come here and let me play. So, guys, please don't go over to Lifestyle of Celebrities. 10 subscribers then, please. And thank you for 106 or 7 subscribers on TONIANN Lyrics Works to and share. Don't make my other channel pass me out. Wait there. Okay, guys. So me they run a back now. I set up the camera for the meat. So I'm gonna set up the camera. So let's go. So guys, right there, so now me I cut out the chicken, like take off the skin and thing. You have to take off the skin. You cannot eat chicken and not take off the skin. But anyways, enough of me talking. Watch your video. Watch it to the end. So guys, right now, we just still take off the skin because the skin no don't take off yet. So, wanna watch it? So right as now, guys, me I chop up the chicken for cut up in pieces because I curry chicken me I cook and I still want me just have here, you know. So alright, so guys, right as now, I still I chop up the chicken into fine little pieces. So I have to chop it up, I get the fine pieces that I want, and I want it just drop in the pot. So yeah, I remember to take out all of the broth blood and them things. And guys, please follow me on Instagram at Vibing with Tony. So guys, bear in mind, I don't clean up yet. I clean up now. So I clean it up so I can get the look I want. Yes guys, I clean it up so I can get the look I want.
Say the only thing I need, the money that green. Pocket so steep, I could buy my own dreams. I want designer, bling for my time. Money off for me, money off for me. I don't want broke again.
Yeah, I'm done cut off my comeback. So basically guys, I have half left. Sunlight, which sun? They have half left, so I'm gonna stay with me through the half. Wow. Big fat chicken. So guys, the post notification shout out goes to Life with Me. It will pop up over here on your left and my left hand side, and it will be linked to be down in the description. Thank you. Please, if you want a post notification shout out, just be the first to comment on the video. Bye.
Me nah itch up under no man arm like Roland. Boss position, son a boy can't try program me. Rebel from day one. Real bad girl, son a boy can't try program me. Me no need donation. Autonomous, can't try come program me. Nanny never go a war for me. Sit down in a 2020 slavery. Shenyang if you match at your business data. Too insecure that youth is a. Watch your boom boom, what you call that? Do your own thing, stop fuck with. What if him love beg your money too? Can't pay rent and a bother you. Can't program me. Nanny never go a war for me. Sit down in a 2020 slavery. Me no know about you, but me know about me. No man can lick me. Some gal love them man more than how them love them one pick me.
Guys, so I'm going to the kitchen now. I'm going to season up. So, I season up. So guys, my mother gonna make the cherry juice come make mother blend up. And she gonna make the banana come make mother cut the banana and steam and then I make flour. So guys, I start cut up now. So what I'm gonna do is I have the pot, stove, turn on, I need to cut darkish because I'm a phone light. I make it pot hot and start cut up. So see the chicken over here, so I'm gonna show some juice. So let's tell me what you say, belly biggie man. So guys, I tell some I look for the seasoning them. So I gotta tell you now, I have scallion, thyme, piece of pepper if you have it. It's gonna say in that video still, and onion. I have is onion, no tomato when you're cooking curry chicken, onion, scallion and thyme, garlic and piece of pepper if you have it. So guys, when I start cut up, I come back and I'm storage full up. Yeah. So guys, let's start the cutting process. So I cut this up out that way. Here is the seasoning. My tape. So the meat. Ada, kodong. I won't forget that fat, no? The phone there 5%, guys. So let's put in the charger. So guys, see it. I'm going to set it up right there. Right here. Good. So guys, see it now. I just put in like the powder season. I don't remember where the powder season is, but I put it in now. Yeah guys. So I don't know what time now. I'm going to cover the people in pots. Pot cover. Where is my pot cover? Pot cover. So guys, that was part 1 of my cooking. Stay tuned for part 2. So as soon as I see this start boil up now, I'm just drop in the flour in the other pot. So I tell you guys, I never get fair video when me I make the dumpling, come me want video when me I blend up. So right there, so I blend up the little cherry juice, the Z-Pre, yeah man, yeah. So guys, so this was before when I just say me I go, cause this I go in the thumbnail. So the cherry juice here now, guys. And guys, this is the finishing touch, yeah man. So remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post.